friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a terrific Tuesday afternoon. Well, I was at Walgreens earlier today doing my thing, and at two of the stores that I visited today, both of them had clearance food in the cooler, so frozen food. So just a couple tips for the new shoppers out there. You're going to have to look for this frozen food in store. You cannot order it through the app. You physically have to go to the store. It's always a year, mileage may vary. So what's happening here in Texas might be the same, but for our friends over in Maine, it might be something completely different. Usually Tuesdays or Saturdays, they have the biggest markdowns for certain areas of the store, such as the cooler or the skincare or dental care. That's when they usually focus a lot of these orange stickers. And good luck with this. Again, your mileage may vary. Maybe you'll find it, maybe you won't. Because it is food and the cost of food right now, I would go out ASAP because this stuff is going to get cleared very quickly. Maybe even the employees might grab a couple. And if it's not marked at your store, grab one of the items that I'm going to show you or one of the items that's tagged and ask for a price check. First pizza, I don't have one to show you because it got cleared really quickly. It's the Jack's, and if you're like, well, what's a Jack's pizza? It's that very thin one, typically always found at gas stations. We have the 12-inch sausage and pepperoni pizza, the 15-ouncer. So, even with that information alone, you know that it's $4.99 in store. You can grab one of those and bring it up to a cashier and say, hey, can I get a price check on this? And you might get 75% off. And then we have the pepperoni pizza. This is only $1.20 off, not as great as the last one. But yeah, they're clearing out a lot of pizzas here, and it was just kind of like, what? Now, this one I do have a picture. We have the DiGiorno stuffed crust pepperoni. That seems glorious for $2.79, so that is 75% off, saving $8.20. You could feed your entire family with that. And this is the one that I have a picture of, again, at $2.49, so some tremendous savings on that pizza, DiGiorno. To give you some eyes on the pizza, here it is. This is the 3-meat rising crust, and there was a whole bunch at the front and there was more in the back, and the ones in the back nobody was touching, but lots of orange stickers found in the cooler. How thrilling was that? And the smaller pepperoni pizza for $4.99. It's like a personal size for $3.79. The larger pizza, better deal. And then these Hot Pockets for $1. That is a really fantastic price point. This one is the Philly cheesesteak. That sounds really good for $1. The original price for this was $3.99. So even if you stumble across this, ask for a price check. You might be shocked if it's $1 as well. And if you have some room in your freezer, I would definitely stock up. And then we have this TGI Fridays mozzarella sticks with marinara sauce. They have everything figured out for us. And this was $1.79, so a really nice appetizer. Now, I was in Walgreens specifically trying to do a cereal deal, but guess what? IBOTTA seemed to pull all the really good Kellogg's rebates. They only have these weird innocuous ones, so without the $6 back from IBOTTA or $5 back from IBOTTA, kind of a dead deal, guys. I was really hoping to get the cereal deal rocking and rolling, but it looks like it's not going to happen, so just throwing that on the table. Another thing that I found in abundance, either in the area that they have staged for, here's our Halloween stuff, here's our back to school stuff. It's like 2 aisles back to back. Found a bunch of these pens for 99 cents. I know that Fetch Rewards has 1,000 points back. Not have that rebate, sadly, but if you buy $20, you're going to get back a $5 register rewards on Papermate products and other school supplies as well. As I was walking towards the cash register, I found even more of these Skittles Pride that were ringing up for like 49 cents last week. Guess what? A quick price check. They are full price. So they're back to $5.49, this specific one. So if you were like, hey, clearance, not so much anymore. Maybe it's different at your store, but it was ringing up full price here. And sometimes they reset the pricing. So I'm thinking that's what might have happened. A lot of electronics also 50% off. These kids' headphones, if you're traveling with your kids in the summer months and you need to get a pair of headphones for $12.49, I would throw in some Walgreens cash and make it happen. I have a lot more clearance that I'm going to put in a video tomorrow for my midweek haul, but I just wanted to show this. If you're at Walgreens looking for the frozen food, maybe you're going to look for some headphones as well. I've seen these one a day postnatal supplements in the clearance section for the longest time. And yeah, for $3.39, they've just been kind of living there. If you can track down three of them at your store, load this digital coupon. This week with the one a day supplements, they are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So grabbing three of them, it's $8.47. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $1.47. And this deal you must do in store only. The app has them at full price at like $42 per container of supplements. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Good luck with the frozen food.